Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Abusive Brat Attacks Boyfriend and Steals His Truck, Ends Badly.
What the fuck did I do? What did I do?
Domestic battery.
What? What the fuck? Do you not see my lip?
On February 7th, police received a call about a woman who assaulted her boyfriend and stole his truck after an argument. When officers arrive, the suspect refuses to comply and plays the victim, turning the situation into a humiliating arrest.
Mr. Bellinger, you can come out here and talk with me.
Can I get my stuff?
Just come out here and talk with me first.
Let me get my stuff too.
All right,
Damn,
we'll
this
go
was
back
last month?
Stepping all
Go back
over
here.
my clothes. Everybody is. Sorry.
Go back here so we can talk. So what's going on?
She took my truck this morning. I called her mom. We're at the Royal. I said, hey, she took my truck. I said, have you seen her? She said no. And I was like, she's been gone for 3 hours. She called and I was like, will you please bring me my truck? I want to leave the hotel by 11. She said no. This guy down here called me and said, hey, your truck's here. You want to come get it? I was like, yeah. I come down here and I was like, please give me my keys. So I grabbed her purse and threw it outside so she wouldn't get it. She just had me so mad. I just want to be done with her. I'm going to be done with her.
So what happened? Somebody called in a battery.
Nothing bad. I mean, she took my hat off my head.
You got scratch marks on your neck.
It wasn't bad, right?
Okay, just hold tight right here. What's going on?
I asked him if I could go get us some drinks. And some food. You just said
Hey,
what?
talk to me. So what's going
You
on?
told me yes. Okay?
Told you yes for what?
Yes, and then I'm a slut and everything because I went to McDonald's and the line was long as f, so I said f that, right? So then I went all the way. I'm not doing this.
What happened to your lip?
Nothing. Hey, give me my peach rings,
Hey.
sir. Those aren't yours.
Ran, so what happened?
Hey, let me borrow the vehicle. He threw all my things out. My phone's probably broken. Dude. He was trying to say I've been gone since 8:30. I left at 8:30. I went to my grandmother's, correct?
Okay,
Okay, at 8:30, I left and went to my grandma's. I was there for maybe 30 minutes just because I was trying to see what the hell my mom had brought over there in mine because she was doing laundry there. Okay, so I was trying to get some of my belongings.
okay.
Can I grab my clothes out of his truck, please?
No, I want you to tell me what happened first. That's why we're here.
Is it me or I can't even talk? Oh shit. Is it me or does she look like she's like does drugs or something? I'm getting that vibe. Like the outbreak, on her chin, the outbreak, the darkness on the eyes, which would tell me like maybe she stays up a lot, like her little like fidgetiness. That's not even a fucking word. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying. Like, honestly, like I've been up all night, man. You know what I'm saying? We knocking it out. My sleep schedule is all messed up, man. But anyway, back on this though, doesn't it look like she probably uses? Let me know. Let me know in the comments section because that's what I think. Because I'm looking at him too, and yeah, I'm getting the same vibe. Okay, I'm getting the same vibe. Obviously, he's gonna say that she didn't hit him because he doesn't want her to go to jail or whatever. But this is the thing. I don't know if he called or if a witness called, right? But the thing is that you can't have it one way and not the other. Like, you know what I mean? You can't. It's gotta be all or nothing, honestly, in my eyes. You can't sit there and say you want her to leave you alone, right? You just want her to go, you want to be done, yada yada yada. But then on the other hand, you don't want her to go to jail. Well, if somebody put their hands on somebody's going to jail. Okay, so y'all better pick any, mini, miny, mo, because somebody getting these handcuffs, man.
I apologize. I was there for 30 minutes, not even. He's already called my phone, called me fucking whore, stupid bitch, fucking cussing me out and asking me where I'm at. I said, going through McDonald's, which I was literally on my way to McDonald's. Yes, I lied. I wasn't there yet. But I was getting there, When I get there, it's a long-ass line. So, therefore, I did not go. I decided to say, f*** that. I'm not going through McDonald's. Then, I went to Ginger Ale's.
Okay.
And somebody in front of me had hit the little bar. That took me a minute. Then after that, I'm trying to get a hold of him to see what he wants to eat. And and he's just, "Fuck you, bring my fucking car, you stupid slut. I bet you've been fucking everybody in the whole town, you fucking whore." Obviously, I hit the block button. Then he just shows up here with another bitch trying to drag me out of his truck. No, damn well, I literally said I would get in the passenger side.
Why are you screaming?
I'm not screaming.
You are. You're raising your voice.
Yes, there's a difference. I'm being passionate because this hurts my feelings. I would never steal anyone's vehicle. I have my own. I was trying to be genuine and do something out of kindness for him for once because he's always doing for me.
So what happened when he showed up here with somebody else to get his truck?
He came up here just being automatically fucking. First of all, I had hit the lock button because I was worried. Obviously, he scares me. He scares the fuck out of me.
So you locked him out of his own car?
Talking to me. I came here and they knew I was here. And I was simply saying, "Can I come in?" And I was going to call him, "Bring your truck or you can come get it." But I don't want, any issues. Anyways, I asked him. I really got them for him. I really did. Do you want to take them back to him?
I don't care.
You want to talk to Holly? She's got a witness statement over.
Yep.
He was just telling me that he's given her permission to drive the truck in the past, but this morning when they were getting ready to leave the Travelers, she was talking about going to get McDonald's, and he was like, "No, don't leave. Like, let me drive," and then she took off in his truck.
Yeah, this truck's going to be a civil issue because his letter drives it all the time, but what'd your witness say?
Basically, she pulled up here, was throwing stuff outside of the truck. He called Bellinger, said, "Hey, your truck's here." He goes, "I've been looking for it for 3 hours." Came here in another truck, got dropped off. They said she was just wailing on him with like a yellow bag, hitting him and throwing stuff. And he goes, and he did not do a single thing. He goes, he didn't touch her. He goes, I was actually quite impressed because he goes, I don't even think I would have been able to hold off from retaliating, I guess.
He's saying that domestic happened a bit.
Yeah, you just gonna be a punching bag? You just gonna let her Mike Tyson you? Kudos for him. Not doing nothing back. Just getting beat on, you know what I mean? Just, and holding it down. He held it down, man.
You have a witness saying that she was hitting him.
Yeah. And that's what he just told me. He said, "Was it going to get her in trouble?" I said, "Just be honest." And he's like, "Yeah, she said me." Okay. I asked him what happened to her lip, and he said she bit it.
It looks like a bite mark in front of you. Yeah. Hey, Brianna. Can I have you stand up for me? You're going to go to jail, okay?
What the f*** did I do? What did I do?
Domestic battery.
What? What the f***? Did you not see my lip? Are you taking him too? I'm taking
Put your hand
him
behind your
too.
back.
What the f*** I do? What the f***? Do not see my f***. What the f*** did I do?
Quit pulling away.
Do not.
Yeah, but you did that to yourself. The lip. You did that to yourself. You already got it. We already got a witness saying, that you was over here, Mike Tyson on them. And but a lot of times you see this, like if ladies are abusive, men don't really do this, this part. Obviously domestic, that it goes both ways, right? But there's times when the ladies are the aggressor, they're gonna do something, right? But then they're also gonna do something to themselves to make it look like he, to fit her narrative. You know what I'm saying? And you'll see people like hit themselves or give themselves a black eye or a lip and all of that type of stuff. So you see that more with like the ladies. You know what I mean? The guys, if the guys are, gonna, Mike Tyson the chick and all of that, they just gonna Mike Tyson the chick, and they not gonna like harm themselves too to make it look like she was doing, like they not doing all that. But ladies do that though.
Flip out of the cuffs.
I'm not. Are you taking him too? Where is he?
Don't worry about it.
That's why the first thing. Oh, you see my lip? You see my
right
lip?
there and hold
How are you
still.
not gonna
She
take
bit herself.
me too? Do you not see my lip? Are you serious right now? Hold on, I need my belongings.
Oh, we'll get all your stuff.
No, I need my belongings, sir.
Don't worry,
That
we'll
is
get
not
your peachy
fair. You're
rings.
not allowed
Don't
to
worry
do that.
about it.
You are hurting my arm. You're hurting my arm. Let it go, please. You're hurting. Ow! Are you taking it?
Got any weapons on you?
No, I don't.
Anything you don't want to take to jail?
No, but I want my phone and my stuff. I don't know why I'm going to jail. I did not touch him. I did not touch him.
They say you beat him with a purse.
What? He hit me first. What the fuck? Do you not see my lips? No. You didn't even hear my side of the story. And you are not allowed to do that. You are not allowed to do that. Give me my shit. Now! I pressed it. I
Pockets or anything.
There was a key on the ground right there.
She got it. She picked it up whenever Golden Black one? Yeah, with a little, like, oh, that might be hers. It looked like for like a Toyota or something.
You don't have your truck keys?
We'll look.
I'll search her again.
That's her purse. We haven't searched it yet.
Okay. She said she had a bed at 4 o'clock. I was going to make her late by arresting her.
I don't know what the truck keys look like.
No, I didn't. Unless.
Is this it?
Yep, that's it.
My money, everything. It's all.
You're out to the jail, one female. 37.2. 37.2.
He sells drugs. I'm a baby. What the? When I put my hands on a man, me and him, my mouth is literally bleeding, and you want to fucking.
And we had a witness.
You get sued, baby. You get sued.
I thought you were going to rehab.
Huh?
I thought you were going to rehab. I don't believe you.
You don't have to believe me.
See? I knew it. You could look at her and tell. I knew she was on something. Or uses, that's why the officers, I thought he probably knows them, whatever. They're probably frequent flyers, throughout the jail system or whatever, or always getting called around and stuff. I thought you was going to rehab. I said it earlier. I'm like, damn, doesn't she look like they be on them drugs, man. Look like they be on some stuff.
You told me you had a bed at 4 o'clock the other day when I arrested you.
Yeah.
Frequent flyer.
You lied.
There is no need for two of you to.
Okay, we'll hop out.
Okay.
We're not going to touch you if you just get out.
Don't touch me at all. And next time I
Walk through
say,
here. Come on.
don't touch me, I
Come on.
just said don't touch me at all. Did I
You already
not?
got a resisting charge, so
No, the fuck I don't.
yes, you do.
Oh, and I already told you it's
Go
going to
through
be
here.
dropped. Did I not? Did I
They
not?
might be attacked.
Don't
Go.
touch me. Hey, ma'am. Hey, you see my body? Look at me. Have a seat. Look at me. Brianna, have a seat.
Don't elbow
Okay,
me
don't
or you're
touch.
going to get
I did not elbow
Yes,
you.
did.
You are fucking insane.
Face the counter. You're about to get another one.
I'm not touch you.
I don't like the theatrics.
The theatrics.
All right, I'll have you sit in the blue chair.
I could have too. You take these off my wrist.
Not yet. You're acting too.
I know I'm calling. So Gerard just doesn't like me.
He said, don't elbow me before I had to get you together. You hear me? He said, I don't like the theatrics. Oh, boy.
How long have you been an officer?
Gerard? Did you just call me Gerard?
I don't know, and I don't care what your last name is. How long have you been an officer? That's what I want to know.
9 years.
9 years, okay. You know my father? Huh?
The suspect was charged with domestic violence, resisting arrest, and disorderly conduct. If you enjoyed this video, leave a
Yeah. Crazy, man. Anyways, yeah. That's all I got to say, man. It's just get in healthier relationships, man. If that stuff is going on, you just leave. It's too many. Listen, for the ladies, if you over there getting Mike Tyson, it's too many men out here, man. You know what I'm saying? It don't matter what you got going on, whether you got a kid, you don't got a kid, whatever. There is somebody for you. The same for the fellas. If you over there just, come on, man. Just putting up with it, tolerating it, nonsense. Even if it's not physical, if she's just nagging all the time. Listen, there's too many women out here, man. Go get something else. Go get something else, man. You know, that's it. You don't need to be putting up with none of this, man. None of this. Swap them out, man. That's how it go, man. I'm telling you, and I'm going to give you the meta right here. This is the new meta. If you're looking for something and you single, whatever, you know where to find them. Not the bar, not the club. The new method is the gym. Don't tell me, I just gave you a gem. All right? If you single, go to the gym, man. Obviously, you kill two birds with one stone. You working on yourself, but you also, the gym is the new club, man. Don't say I ain't tell you. Go to your local gym and tell them ShyGotEm sent you, all right? The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.